Ever stared at a frozen TradingView chart, wondering why your real-time data has vanished? We've all been there, and today we're unlocking the common culprits behind your stagnant TradingView charts and how to fix them fast. Step 1. The mighty refresh. Your trading journey hinges on up-to-date information. So if your chart is stuck, the very first thing to try is a simple page refresh. Hit that refresh button in your browser or use the keyboard shortcut often. A quick reset is all it takes to re-establish your connection to TradingView's servers. If refreshing doesn't do the trick, it's time for a digital declutter. Your browser stores temporary files, known as cache, to speed up website loading. However, sometimes this cache can become overloaded or corrupted, leading to display issues. Navigate to your browser's settings and find the option to clear your browsing data, specifically focusing on clearing the cache and cookies. It's like giving your browser a fresh start. Still no luck? It might not be you. It might be them. TradingView, like any online platform, can experience temporary server issues. Check TradingView's official social media channels, like Twitter or their status page. If available, they often post updates about any ongoing server maintenance or widespread problems that could be affecting your charts. Knowing if it's a platform-wide hiccup can save you a lot of troubleshooting time. Once you've tackled connectivity, cache, and server status, your TradingView chart should be back to life, flowing with real-time data and ready for your analysis. Remember, a few simple steps can get you back to making informed trading decisions.